back to episode number 21, and this is gonna be a fun episode. We are going to draw a. Now, what are we going to learn, Parikshet, today?
Drawing.
Drawing of
Little Singham.
Little Singham. This is an Indian cartoon character, and we are gonna have fun making this drawing. Yeah? Episode number 21. And do not forget to be with us till the end of the video to see if you got featured in this video, because you commented on the video the last time. We feature one profile in every single video, so I hope you got featured. To see that, be with us till the end of the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel and add your comments below. Let's get started with episode number 21. We need to draw it like this, I think, again. Yeah, that would be easier. Okay. Oh, no. So let's start. We start with the glasses once again. We leave the space for the cap. We make the face first.
This is gonna be a little difficult.
Yeah, this is gonna be a little difficult sketching. But if you do it step by step with me, I'll make it easy for
I
you.
can't see. What are you drawing?
I'll make it very easy for you. Don't worry.
Have you ever done drawing before?
No worries. If I have not, I'll still make it easy for you.
I'm seeing.
Now you draw one line over here.
I saw it.
And the ears. Big ones.
I'm seeing. And then there's like a plus.
Yeah.
And your big ears.
And then from here.
And guys, do you know today I have my basketball tournament?
You have your basketball tournament. And who are participating? Your friends?
Yes.
Okay, you are competing with your friends.
No, with the seniors.
Oh, with the seniors. How is that possible?
I don't know myself how that is possible. Let me see.
The cap is done.
I
The-
can't. Getting very confused.
Why are you getting confused? It's so simple.
This is a very complicating drawing. That was this is a very interesting drawing.
Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting one. Okay. Good till here, Parikshet?
Nope.
Now the face. Yeah. He's very angry. Little Singham is very angry. The face is done. There is this symbol of a lion. What do we call little Singham? What does that resemble? Little lion. Yeah. Now what's next? Now that the face is made, that was the most typical part. Now we work on doing the body of it. This is gonna be easy.
He has the power of lion. A lion.
Yes. Yeah.
He has the power of a lion.
Okay, is it?
Stronger, maybe stronger than.
Okay. That's the shirt.
That's the belt.
That's the shirt. The buttons of the shirt. The pockets. 2 pockets he has. Easy until now?
No, very easy.
The hands.
Wait for me.
Okay. Good till here, beta?
Okay.
The legs. The flying legs.
That's a very long line. Oh. Should I get the razor ones?
Okay. Well, Parikshet gets his erasure. Let's see this video's the shout out of this video. Let's see if you got featured in this video. Let's get back. While we are waiting for Parikshet, let's finish off our sketch first. Parikshet is back. This side of the hand is done. Now we make the second one, the punching one.
Can I see what they're doing?
All good till here?
Almost done.
Wow, this looks nice. And Parikshet was saying that this is gonna be a difficult one. Why is this so difficult? I think it was easy. Isn't it?
Yes. Because you did it step by step.
So whenever you do something step by step, it becomes easy.
First, I also used to watch Little Singham. Did you take my pencil again? No worries.
And here we are done. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. This was a little difficult but an interesting one, isn't it? Wow, this looks beautiful. This looks amazing. How are you doing? Do not forget to tell us in the comments below what drawing you want us to do next. And
See you in the next drawing.
so in the next drawing, have an amazing day. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit on the notification bell to get notifications on the new drawings that we upload almost every week. Have a great day. Bye bye.